In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up your very own Discord server for an NFT collection or whatever you want to set it up for in no time at all. This will be such a noob-friendly tutorial and everyone will be able to follow along. We're also going to be looking over how to create channels and categories and add certain bots. The Mia6 bot that greets visitors to Discord, how to add server statistics such as how many people are on the whitelist, how many members are in your Discord, and a bunch of other cool stuff. I'll also have all the items listed in this video bookmarked so you can jump around to where you need help with in the video. Before we continue, kindly hit the notification button to be notified when next I post new videos. Without further ado, let's dive into it. So we're going to start by going all the way to the bottom, adding a server, going to create my own, and then for a club or community, then the server name. We're just going to name it whatever your NFT collection is. For this tutorial, I'm just going to call it the Viral Kingdom, and then I'm going to upload my logo right here and hit create. Once you create your channel, you will get a basic general chat and then a voice general channel. You're going to invite the bot, which will take you to this page where you want to select the server. Ours is called the Viral Kingdom, and then authorize. Then you'll be asked to do one of these captchas, which are very annoying, but don't take very long to complete as long as you don't mess it up. And bam, there you go. You got the notification that server stats is now in our Discord. As you can see, they are right there now to set up server stats. What you want to do is go to the general chat that we made. It doesn't really matter what chat you do it in, but go to /setup and then it's going to ask you what type of channel you want to do. We are going to select a voice and bam, as you can see, server stats is now on our Discord. It's displaying the number of members including bots and then regular members, but we want only to see the number of members for the server stats. The date of the mint, how many people are on the whitelist, so you can do this by selecting create new channel, going to voice channel, and then we're going to type in mint date to be determined and create that. And we're going to add another one called mint price 0.03 ETH crate, and bam, that looks good. Already we're going to fix it up a little bit later. Like I said, stick around for this entire video because this Discord server is going to look fabulous, alright? The next thing we'll do is add roles to this server. You can do this by right-clicking in the top left corner and then going to server settings. In the server settings, you just want to hit roles right here, and you'll probably only see the server stats role. We're going to create a role and call it owner, and this is going to be us. I'm going to select it as yellow because I think yellow is a good color for the owner. And then I'm going to go to permissions and check everything as a check mark because I'm the owner and I want every single permission there is possible. So I'm going to hit save changes and then I'm going to back out. Navigate to my name right here. Go to rows, select owner, and you'll see that my name is yellow and I have every single privilege. The next role we're going to be adding is a whitelist rule. So this is all the people who are going to be on our whitelist, compared to an online member on the sidebar, which I'll show you in a minute. It'll make people appear as a whitelisted person rather than just an online person. Then we'll go to permissions and hit save changes. Don't add or change anything within the ticks right here. We're going to go back to the next role we're going to be creating, that's admin. This is if you have anyone helping you out with your project. They will have every single role in the server apart from deleting the server itself. So be careful who you give the admin role once again too. We're going to check off the display role members option and then go to permissions. Go all the way to the bottom and hit administrator. Then we're going to select save changes, and actually I'm going to change the color of the administrator. We're going to make them red now. The last role that we're going to be adding is called the verified role, and this just ensures that users are not bots, that they're real people. We're going to give them green also to check the display role members option, and we're going to hit save changes. We're doing this because anyone who joins the server will have this at every one role, and we only want verified people to be able to send messages, add reactions to messages and all that sort, so we don't want the members to be able to do anything other than invite other people to the servers and view channels. So we're going to save that and bam, we have all of our roles. So the next thing we're going to do is to set up our verification process, which will allow us to make every single new user verify that they're a legit person by pressing an emoji, and it will give them the rest of the Discord server by giving them the verified role. To do this, we want to go to that verified channel that we made earlier and then go to the edit channel that we want to go to permissions. This will ensure that no one can send messages in this chat and that only responses to messages are permitted. Then we'll add 6 bots. which will be linked down in the description. And then we'll log in with Discord and let it authorize us. It will then ask for a server to be selected. Select the server that you will be using. This may take some time. 6 websites can be a little slow at a time, but we're just going to hit setup, then continue, and then check the administrator box. If you have any problems loading anything, simply refresh the page and it should work. Go to the reaction rules right here and then just select enable. Then you're going to add a new reaction rule and you're going to select the verified channel that you created, and we're going to go to the text message option, and then we're going to type in a message like, so I just typed in click, and then I added a check mark by hitting the emoji right here. Here to verify and gain access to the rest of the server. We'll add a period and bam! Then we just want to add a reaction and we'll add that check mark. And we'll go to the top and hit save and close, and bam! As you can see, it added the verify option. We can now go to our Discord server, and as you can see, we can now click the check mark and it will give you the right role. If you have any issues with this or give you an error or just refuse to add the role, go to your server settings by going to the top left up here, go to the server settings, then to roles, and drag me 6 from the bottom to the second and to the top to fix it. Simply redo the process and it will work 100% of the time. The next thing we can do with 6mebot is add a welcome system to your Discord server. Every popular server has it and it looks very clean. You can do this by going to a welcome option right here and then checking this box right here, and then we'll just add it to the welcome channel that we created. And honestly, I think this message right here is fine, so let's just leave it at that and then we'll hit the save button. The next thing we're going to do is to go to the dashboard and then go to the statistics channel, and we can just click that, and we're going to add a role counter. This is going to be for the people on the whitelist. How many people are on the whitelist so far? It's going to track that, and we're going to hit save, and then it should add a whitelist counter onto our Discord, and as you can see, there's a whitelist. We're just going to add that to the server stats right, and hit add to Discord, and then authorize it. Make sure that you're on the correct server once more. That's all for today, folks. Thank you so much for spending time with us, and if you found this video interesting, make sure to hit the like button and the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel to get access to more interesting videos from us. Until next time.